So Sylvia Winter creates so many different ideas and words to help us understand humanity as we come to know it. And one of the things that she calls Homo sapiens is Homo economicus, and that is based on the human, or what we come to understand as the human in the 21st and 20th century, right? And the Homo economicus is essentially a man or human whose sole purpose is to make money. Now, all of this is based on European and Western socialization, which she says, right, Europeans and Western history essentially has a monopoly on being human. What does that mean? Because we live in a European dominated society, what we come to understand about human beings all over the world is dominated by what? Western socialization, Western philosophy, and Western ideas. It is based on these origin stories that we get told that humans are taught to be colonized, which creates our origin story, which creates our idea of what it means to be a man that we see today. And it is based on this. She says that we as human beings are essentially constituted or auto instituted by and through stories, right? By and through mythos or logos, or again, these stories that we tell ourselves about our origins. Sylvia Winter essentially argues that our stories are as much a part of what makes us human as our bipedalism and the use of our hands. Did you catch that? Baby, bipedalism is essentially the use or the idea that you have two hands and 2 feet and the motion that goes with it. Our stories make us human just as much as us having two hands and 2 feet. Just to provide more context, Jason Ambrose says, "For it is through these origin stories slash myth or cosmogonies that, as the literary scholar David Lemming also observed, we tell both ourselves and the world who we are, while also being slash behaving, as Winter further proposes, both individually in ways and collectively through the formation of societal orders." This is including their instituted hierarchies and allocated social roles that essentially enact and conserve the self definitions of who we are as human beings within this said society. Look out for part 3 to continue the conversation. And this is why y'all need to go ahead and subscribe, because it's so much to get into in so little time.